Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one is the WD-40. It's a white lithium grease spray with a small straw, and it is 10 ounce. I also purchased this one. This is the premium set of 4 front and rear sway bar links kit, stabilizer bar. It's compatible with the Lexus IS250 from 2010 to 2015, IS350 from 2009 to 2015, and GS350 and GS450 from 2007 to 2011, and GS430 from 2006 to 2007, and GS460 from 2008 to 2011, rear wheel drive. Parts number is 750104. So both of the items were like a total of $43.47. As you can see, I bought it from Amazon. By the way, this video is not sponsored by any of this company. Purchased with my own money. So yeah, let's go and then unbox it. It says specialist. So yeah, the lithium grease is works on metal to metal. It's a heavy duty lubricant, rust inhibiting barrier, metal to metal application. Mainly you use this for like a bearing or hinges. It's making like squeaking sound, or for your gate. So it says shake well. For 20 to 30 seconds before each spray. So yeah, you could spray like this, or pull out the straw and so and spray this directly to your area. Oh, so it's like a spray can. Anyway, let's go and then check out this one. Says 100% performance testing, 100% new premium component, meet and exceed OEM specifications. So hopefully that's the case. And it is made in China. pretty stiff. So yeah, if yours is broken, you might hear like a rattle noise or shaking. So this is for the rear. Check out the front real quick. Because the front has a different part number, one of each. And then the rear, it says 2. So it's like universal. Make sure I don't lose this nut. It's kind of loose. Yeah, so this is like a opposite. And this thing you can just rotate left and right hand side. It's the same orientation, that's why it's the same. Okay? Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Peace.